Raise the presser foot lifter. Insert a piece of scrap fabric. Lower the presser foot lifter. Start sewing 3 to 5 cover stitch before threading top cover stitch thread. Match the mark on the machine with the mark on the hand wheel. Raise the presser foot lifter. Turn the fan mode switching lever to standard to sew the top cover stitch. Lower the top cover stitch lever and set the top cover stitch spreader. Draw the thread along the notch and pass it through the top cover thread tension dial. Tug the thread gently to ensure the thread is correctly inserted between the tension discs. Threading the top cover stitch thread. Draw the top cover stitch thread under the presser foot diagonally and draw 4 inches, 10 centimeters, of the thread.